Okay, today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to check tire pressure. Tire pressure is extremely important. Overall condition, well, number one is safety, overall condition of the tires, how the car tracks, especially in wet and icy and snowy conditions. It's just very important. It's very simple to do. Okay, it's usually a sticker over here, which this car doesn't have it. It's in this location. You look, there's a whole bunch of different stickers, the VIN numbers, the color codes, and all, but you want where it says tire information, where it says front, it'll show you the tire size and also the tire pressure. The rear on this car happens to be 35 and the front 35. All cars are different, but the label should be on this driver's sill or the driver door jamb. Okay, so we know it's 35. I have a fancy gauge, but if you don't have a gauge or you're in a gas station, they're going to have just a regular air chuck. It's not going to have a readout. You're going to need this simple thing. You buy a tire gauge. It's $2. You put it in. It tells you the pressure. It pops out. I'll show you right now. You take off the screw on the valve stem. You go here. And you put it in squarely, and you don't make it leak. You go like that, but you go slow. This one's showing 30. We'll do that again. All right, you put it in, you go slow, and you push it, make sure it's not leaking. You take it out, and it's showing 32. So what you do, truck needs 35. So I'm not going to use the gauge because a lot of people don't have a gauge. Let's say you're at a gas station, you just put it in. Depending on how much air you need, you put it back in again, and you check it. Now it's at 30. 1, 2, 3. We have to put a little bit more. You just do that. Check it again. And we're at 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 35. And we're done. Now you check all the tires. First, you check it with the gauge if it needs any air. If it doesn't need air, you're great. This way, it's a simple thing, simple little tip. Anybody could do it. If you buy this, like I said, a couple of bucks, keep it in the glove compartment. And that's one little simple thing for safety. Okay, thanks a lot. If you learned something, please subscribe, give me a like. I'm trying to build up my videos. I got a wealth of information. My name is Motorcar Nut 2020. And I'll see you in the next video.